In this video, we're making this no-bake bread pudding that is so easy to make, and it's the perfect way to use up your leftover bread slices. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the pudding, and everything is super simple, so let's get started. First, to a vessel, you're going to add in the milk and put that on low flame. And once the milk starts heating up, you're going to add in the sugar and the butter and mix till the butter and sugar are dissolved. Then once the milk comes to a boil, you're going to add in the bread and dip that in. Use a spoon and flatten the surface. Then cover and let cook for 3 to 4 minutes till the pudding is almost set. Then uncover and let it cook for 1 to 2 more minutes till it's almost dry, and then switch off the flame. And then you're going to top this with your dried fruits and nuts, and then sprinkle some cardamom powder and nutmeg powder on top. And then cover and let cool for a few minutes, and then you can slice it and serve it warm with tea or coffee. As you can see, the bread pudding is nicely set and you can just dig in and enjoy. You can also chill this in the refrigerator for a few hours and serve it cold, and it tastes really good, especially on a summer day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and subscribe for more. I'll see you soon. Bye!